Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Flodesk, a powerful tool for email marketing, customer support, and automation, perfect for creators, solopreneurs, and small businesses. Whether you are just starting or switching from another platform, this beginner's guide is for you. Let's dive in. What is Flodesk? Flodesk is an all-in-one platform for email campaigns, contact management, automations, live chat, and support, CRM-style lead tracking. It's clean, simple, and super affordable, making it a great alternative to tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit. First of all, go to foldesk.com and sign up. You can start free. Enter your email, create a strong password like that, and try it. Click on try it free. And go to your email inbox and confirm the mail. Again, log into your account using your credentials. Now set up your account. Choose your niche like beauty, courses. Got it. Choose a template for your account like that and click customize it. Or go to Flodesk dashboard. A quick overview of recent activity, shortcuts to send emails, manage contacts, and set up a automation sidebar with a section like my email folder in the upper emails, forms, workflows, checkouts, audience analytics. Let's start by adding contacts. Our creative form like create forms, workflows, checkouts, audience analytics. Go to emails tab, then click new email, then select a template for your email campaign, just like that. Then customize it. Here you can add text, color, background color, use the built-in drag and drop editor, add text, social links, click on block, link and paste your Facebook or Instagram or any other social link here. Choose your contact list, schedule it or send immediately. Flodesk track opens, clicks and unsubscribes so you can see what works. Now for the fun part, automation. Go to automation. From your dashboard, start with the trigger. When someone subscribes, when a tag it is added, add actions like send an email, wait for X days, add tags, move to another list. Go to grow your list, you need a form. Go to forms tab from here, then click new form. Choose again a template from here and customize it. Simple and effective for lead capture. If you are using Flodesk for customer support, go to get help button and you can contact with Flodesk like emails, forms, workflows, checkout, integrations, then contacts. And that's it. Your beginner's guide to Flodesk in 2025. To recap, import contacts and organize with lists, send email campaigns with the editor, set up automations to nurture leads, use forms to grow your list. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more digital tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.